today I'm going to make a really easy roasted cauliflower with paprika. It's such a yum keto side dish that you can enjoy all through the year, but especially when cauliflower on season. So I've got a big head of cauliflower over here. We've got paprika, salt and olive oil. That's all we need, and we're going to get straight into it. I'm going to chop up my cauliflower into little bite-sized pieces and show you the rest from there. Okay, I have chopped my cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. I've popped it into a baking dish and I'm going to add everything here. You could instead pop it in a bowl or a Ziploc bag and add in all your olive oil and your salt and everything. Give it a good shake around, but you know, I don't mind getting a bit messy in one bowl. It just makes my life easier. So I'm going to first off add all of my ingredients and then shake it all around. I'm going to go a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, a good couple of shakes of salt, and with the paprika we'll do a half a teaspoon at a time. Start with half a teaspoon, mix it all together. If you're happy with that, keep it at that. If you want more of a rich paprika flavor, add another half a teaspoon or more to go. It's totally up to you. So we're going to add all of that now. Okay, olive oil going on, and I'll keep my spoon in there to shake it all around, and we'll add our salt and our paprika now. Now that is only a half a teaspoon of paprika, and look how much that made. So we're going to shake it all over. This is why if you do it in a bowl or a bag you can be kind of vigorous, but I'm quite happy with that. So we just mix it all over, and then it's up to you if you want to add a bit more paprika or not. I find this, I'm happy with that. You could add more, as I said, just do whatever you like. It's, some are more coated, some are a little lighter coated in our paprika. Right, okay, I'm happy with that. Now it's going to go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Give it a little toss around halfway and we'll see how it turns out. I've had it in the oven for 10 minutes. It's getting nice and golden. I'm just going to toss it all around and pop it back into the oven for another 10-15 minutes. I'll just keep a watch on it. And there you go, it's come out the oven. Look how beautiful and golden the cauliflower look. This is kind of like paprika potatoes, when you have kind of roast potatoes with paprika and they're just golden and crispy and so yum, but with cauliflower instead, so it's a good low carb keto alternative. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this yum recipe a try, what you think of it, and I'll have a full blog post down below so you can click the link to pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make these paprika cauliflower. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.